Hey everyone, welcome to my channel.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So today I'll be doing an updated half letter flip through of my half letter, as I said earlier. So let's begin. So let me see, these discs and covers are from Poi Hun. I do want to get larger disc. For now I only have, I think this is 1 inch, but I do want maybe the 0.5 inch. Let's see. So the cover page, we have some free journaling cards. These are freebies from my shop, Your Paper and Line Co. And then we have this dashboard, which is currently available only in pocket size. I took down all the other listing, because yes, so if you guys do want this in half letter, I'll post it up again. We also have an acetate. You can print on acetate as a printable or on vellum. So now we have some more freebies, which is listed up on my freebie and Facebook group. We also have the dashboards. There are 5 designs of 4 of these floral prints. And then the back is also like this. And then we have another abstract one from the beginning. And the vellum. And now we have a new dashboard, which is for half letter. We do have it for pocket and half letter. And I think we're also going to release other sizes maybe. But for now, we only have pocket and half letter, which is the most size I currently use. I do use A6. And I do think we will release an A6 dashboards for these monthly ones. So they come with 24 titles. You can see it in my link down below for these title dashboards. It will be listed in Etsy called Digital Dashboards. So I did change up the tabs a lot. They usually be in this kind of tabs, but then I turn it to square tabs. For some reason lately I've been loving the square look for everything, so I've been changing all my planners into a square divider or square tabs. As you can see in the back, this is how the back looks, so it's gonna be back and forth so you can print these double-sided. So first we have our monthlies. As you can see, my monthly is mostly filled with all the videos, planning, the Instagram posts and stuff like that. So this is September, this is October, and then currently we are on November. This video hopefully will go up in November, but we'll see. So here's mine. I'm currently using these dots as Instagram posts, so I just check mark them if I do put Instagram. Usually I did write out them, but now I'm using my dot stickers that I bought from Amazon. So usually I'll be uploading videos on Monday. Sometimes occasionally I do uploads Thursdays and sometimes Saturdays. It depends if I do have extra videos that I want to post up during the week. Because usually these Mondays are just the plan with me in my bullet journal, but sometimes I do these kind of like setups, reviews of pens and pencils and stuff like that, or like hauls, and then I'll put it during the Thursday or Saturday, depends. So we have these. We have a lot of different kind of inserts now on my shop for different sizes. If the size of the insert is not available in your specific size, you can just DM me, and then I will also put a listing for you. We have another dashboard. This is floral, abstract one. And then we have our weekly dashboard, title dashboard. I really do love these dashboards. I changed them from my previous one. And then we have another dashboard for my shop. And then we have an unsplash.com photo. And then here we are during our weeklies. I did take some weeklies out, but here are some weeklies that I'm currently using. And then these ones are ones that I have up on my shop too. Like I said earlier, that if you do not see the inserts for 6 size that is available for one of the sizes, you can just DM me and then I will release the size for you. So this is my Etsy shop and YouTube planning and then all my insert planning. So we do have monthly, weeklies, projects and notes, and then we have the current project I'm on, insert planning, and then video ideas for the videos. And here are just some more inserts. We have like, this is one of my favorites for sure. I do like these long list ones. I can do all the to-do lists here. but lots of inserts. And then this specific insert has some meal plans which I do not use, so I just keep it there because some people do love the breakfast, lunch, dinner thing, but I don't put it there. I just don't really use it. I just use the top part and then some of the trackers. And I do love these priorities: this week's focus, this week's goals, and then the quote of the week. So here's some more inserts that you can see. We've done 2 pages. We do have weeks on 1 page, as you can see right here. And then we also have these ones. There's a couple of versions we have of this one's already filled. And then we have like the empty version, which you can see right here. And then we have a thicker version where you can put in your stickers here. And a thinner version right here. So another week on 2 pages, which I kind of love. And then we have another abstract thorough, printed on vellum, and then we have our projects dashboard. You can, there's, like I said earlier, there's 24 title dashboards available on my Etsy shop, and you can print double-sided so you won't have a blank white background. It will be double-sided. But I do include like multiple. We have our project inserts. We have some goal planning inserts. Some more goal planning inserts, and then we have our project inserts. So I'm currently trying to do all Sunday stars for all the inserts that we have available right now. So currently I'm done the half letter weekly, the A5 weekly I'm done, pocket weekly I'm done that now. I'm just working on the other sizes. We have some more project ones, and then we're on our notes section. Another floral. And then we have this insert plan, which is so how many inserts I plan for InDesign, PDF, cover, upload, and release. And I have it so I know these ones are already uploaded. I just have to release them so it's more organized. So a few more of those, and then we have my notes section where I just keep some video ideas, like, and then as I'm done it, I just do a check mark. And then we have our tab, and then we just have more notes back here, and then just another floral dashboard, double-sided as always, and then we have our tab at the back. I hope you guys enjoy this time with me. I'm sorry, flip through. I made this more simple because I just want to focus on the month, the weeklies, and then all the stuff is just planning the inserts, a creation, upload, PDF files, InDesign files, uploads, release, covers, like that. So I hope you guys enjoy this time with me. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.